What are you sprinkling?
Borax.
Oh. What does it do? I missed the lesson, obviously.
It's a protective coating on the area that I'm about to weld.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I told her all about it. Come up here closer.
Had a young man here at summer camp this summer who showed up in Blacksmith.
Oh, you want this ice cream? Really?
Yeah.
You want this ice cream?
Yeah.
I looked at him. I said, you know, I respect your choice of clothing in this regard. I said, if you'll notice, I wear boots. I recommend you do the same. Work barefoot, it's your prerogative. First thing I was doing is a forge welding demo.
Oh, yeah.
I threw a sheet of flame across the floor, and he said, I think I'm going to go get my shoes off.
Yeah.
I said, you're a wise man.
That's right.
I've threw it plenty.